So Peter, tell us what makes LG so special in terms of range, induction range technology.
Well, as you know, induction is the thing right now, right? It's more energy efficient. These are Energy Star rated cooktops. You believe that? There's Energy Star rated cooking. These are, I know they're super consistent cooking. You turn it to 3, it's gonna give you the same heat every time, and incredibly safe. This will not heat up unless I put a magnetic pan on top of it. So no more worries about someone touching it by accident or maybe catching something on fire. It's super safe.
Or a little one accidentally turning on a burner.
Look at that, it's not even gonna warm up when I do that. In fact, it cools off really fast. And because this doesn't warm up, it's actually warming the pan, it's really easy to clean. Even if you spilled chocolate on here, just grab a paper towel and it wipes right up. Absolutely amazing.
You're just gonna get residual heat from your pot or pan back down onto the glass. It's gonna be hot to the touch, but it's not gonna be scalding hot like a traditional ceramic top.
Exactly. I'm not saying you won't ever burn yourself, but it's not gonna be scalding hot. That's right.
And what makes LG so much different in terms of induction technology versus some of the other manufacturers?
I'm glad you asked. There's a couple things that we've done that have been absolutely amazing inside of LG induction. Every single LG induction uses a resin high temperature coil like this to store the copper. And we actually put little spaces in between it. I don't know if you can see those spaces in between there.
Yeah.
There we go. So that actually keeps it cooler. We can run cool air through that coming in from the outside and take the residual heat off. The thing about copper is once it gets warm, it hates to induct. And of course, we're running electricity through this to make induction work. So we want to keep these cool. And we can keep these about 2 to 4 degrees cooler just by using this technology right here. I know that doesn't seem like a lot, but in the long run, that makes this more durable and more consistent for every piece of cooking.
And this right here is?
It's really cool, right? So this is actually a thermistor. So we're constantly measuring the temperature of the top. So should something go wrong, maybe it gets too hot on the top, you mentioned residual heat can come back down. We want to shut off that so that we stop that ahead of time. And so that's going to talk back to our board. And if something does go horribly wrong, we'll actually blow a fuse before we damage anything else in there. So it is easy to replace. Should that happen, we hope it never does. We could replace that with just 4 screws underneath there, making it incredibly easy to replace. So LG induction is not only Energy Star rated, it's very, very consistent, keeping cool, making it durable. We hope it'll last the longest of anything out there. And gosh, it just looks great, doesn't it?
It does. Really cool technology. And of course, we've got to show the royal blue interior, right?
Don't we love this bright blue interior? Not only with our wide view windows to make it really easy to look inside, but when you've got something like this includes our Easy Clean technology. Now we have a special proprietary process on that coating, meaning it only takes 10 minutes to clean the inside of that. Spray it liberally down with water, tap Easy Clean on the front here, close it up. 10 minutes later, just wipe it down with some paper towels and it looks that blue again, even if you just got done spilling all over it.
Yeah, self-cleaning gets way too hot because damage to the electronics. You're over 700 degrees. It's just not safe. You've got odors coming from the back.
Right.
That steam clean technology, tremendous.
We don't actually use steam. So our Easy Clean technology actually only gets up to about 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Because of our proprietary technology, the water gets behind the food and pushes it off like a scraper. You won't even have to get up to steam, which means when you're done, you don't have to wait for it to cool down. You can grab those paper towels right away and clean it off. Listen, you can clean this oven faster than you can clean your counters after you're done cooking. Well, especially if you've ever seen me cook, you can really clean it faster than the counters.
I love learning new things. Just learned something. Appreciate it, Peter. Thanks.
Keep it clean.
You got it.